Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the trim entities tool in SolidWorks as well as the extend entities. So, trim entities, what it does is it helps you trim your sketches. So, if you have something that's too long, maybe something on the inside or outside you want to get rid of, you could trim it. So, this power trim right here can help you remove edges. So, like for example, I have something like this. So, if I go to the trim tool, power trim, I could click the two and then it'll just trim away one of the ends here. Okay. So that's the power trim tool. And we could also try out the other one. So let me draw this again. So here in the trim, you have this corner tool. So this corner one, you click the two lines and it'll automatically figure out the corner. So that's the corner tool. Actually, let me just control Z. And then for this other case here, we have the third one called trim away inside. So you could click the two boundaries that's bounded between what you're trying to remove, and then you click the center, then you could see the center parts go away. So that's the trim away inside. So if I undo that, we could try out the trim away outside. So again, you would click like the main two lines, and then you could click what you want to remove outside. So that's the trim away outside. And then you have what's called the trim away to closest. So this just trims whatever that's coming out to the closest part inside. So that might be helpful. Okay, so these trimming tools can be good. Sometimes maybe you have like a reference sketch and you want to have just like part of it that you want to keep. Trimming might be useful. So I think trimming is more of a style that you want. So it just depends on what you're trying to do. Most of the time, I don't trim. I just sketch it to the length I want. So it's a nice tool to have if you want to use it. And then here we have an extend entity. So what this does is it could extend a line to another line that's on the other side. Okay, so that's how you use the extend entities tool. So that summarizes the trimming and extend entity tools in SOLIDWORKS Sketch. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.